Persons living with disabilities are demanding inclusion, leadership and participation from governments at all levels towards a sustainable post-Covid-19 era. They spoke at an event in Abuja to mark this year's International Day for Persons with Disabilities. And our correspondent, Jokedisa, reports.
Every 3rd of December is significant for persons living with disabilities. The day celebrates abilities of people with one form of disability or the other. It increases awareness, promotes understanding of disability issues, and mobilizes support for dignity, rights, and inclusion of persons with disabilities in every aspect of life. Of the more than 1 billion PWDs across the globe, Nigeria has well over 25 million, and that community seeks attention and inclusion in the project called Nigeria. They lament there is still a lot of discrimination.
Persons with disability in Nigeria are predominantly the most affected population amidst the Covid-19 pandemic context, where marginalization, discrimination, vulnerability, and abuse have been worrisome.
Not all people with disabilities are equally disadvantaged. Much depends on the context in which they live and whether they have reasonable accommodation in terms of access to health, education, and employment, among others.
They are glad progress is being made, especially in Nigeria, with the enactment of the law prohibiting discrimination against persons with disabilities and the creation of a commission to coordinate their inclusion. Yet, they believe more still needs to be done, especially in the implementation of the law.
The biggest problem we have, the person with disability in Nigeria, is that some people are representing us in the decision making, but the disabled community of Nigeria, we do not have a person with disability who is representing us in the executive arm of government, from federal to the local government.
Public institutions and buildings are yet to fully embrace this disability inclusion, as shown by lack of ramps, lack of sign language interpreters, and all the signages. This gap and more will continue to hinder our collective development as a country.
For a start, persons with disabilities in Nigeria crave for the implementation of the 5% employment slot stipulated in the new law as basis for inclusion and attainment of sustainable development goals. Jokedisa, TVC News, Abuja.